start this. All right, so real quick, I'm going to do a setup in Kepware with one of our Modbus IO-Link masters. I have on port 1, I have a TA2603. To know how that data needs to be parsed, we would come down to Downloads, and we click on the PDF document. That's going to populate, and we'll find on this one on page 8, you get 2 bytes of data. And that data is going to be in Fahrenheit for the TA2605, and we're going to need to multiply by a decimal point to get the correct value. Not too bad. Okay, so let's jump to the lab where I have Kepware running, and I'm going to do a new device and call this my AL134x, and say next. And Modbus, and the IP address, just to be 100%, we'll double check it here. 205. All right, so 172.21.52.205. Next. And all this is pretty standard. So I'm going to click through all of it, get us where we need to go. Variable import file, AL134x. Next. Next. And here's our setup. And request timeout, 1 second. Get scanning every 100 milliseconds. Finish. All right, cool. So now right over here, we have the AL134x, and we need to reference some registers. So let's do temperature. And with Modbus, I'm never sure if the software is counting 0 as a value or not as a number. So I'm going to put in 4,000, 4, and then the register is 1001. And hopefully that's temperature. If it's not temperature, that's fine too. I'll do a new tag, and I'll go temperature. 2. So maybe temperature actually lands at this register. Okay, and you know what? Just if we're doing things right, might as well, let's go one step more. Let's say I'm completely off by 2 maybe, and we're going to do 41003, and data type will keep as default just like before. All right, so we should be able to hit the quick client menu, and I should be able to scroll down here to AL134x and check that out. All right, awesome. So temperature 3 is where I'm seeing my value. It says it's good. It's at 2415, 2413, and see, that's the issue. So I know this is the IO-Link data coming in, and I know that based off of the IODD PDF document that the structure of it is 2 bytes, and that's coming in as a default. So I can see the values as I increase the temperature change there. And I'm not sure if this is byte swapped or what's going on here with the value, because my value is definitely not 272 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's the part we'd have to figure out in Kepware. I know the connection's good. I know the data's good. We'd need to dive into Kepware, into the data types, or have more knowledge of Kepware to see where we need to change the parsing of the data so that it reads out correctly. So, great. Hopefully that gets us all where we need to go. And let me know if you have other questions. Thank you, and have a good day.